Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 3911, which is the taxpayer statement regarding a refund. So this form is used when you didn't receive your tax refund or if your refund check was lost, stolen, or destroyed. It helps the IRS trace what happened to your money. Let's go through it step by step. So start with section 1. So in here you'll enter basic information, write your full name, and if you file jointly, include your spouse's name as well. Then add your taxpayer identification number like your social security number. After that, enter your current address and a phone number where you can be reached during the day. Next, there is a part where you repeat the name and address exactly as it appeared on your original tax return. If nothing changed, you can simply write NA in those fields. If you authorize someone to receive your refund, you'll enter their name and mailing address in the next part. Then move to the section about your return details. Choose whether it's an individual or business return and indicate how the refund was supposed to be sent, either by check or direct deposit. You also enter the refund amount, your bank name if needed, and your account details. Now go to section 2. So this is where you explain what happened. Check the box that matches your situation, whether you didn't receive the refund at all or if the check was lost, stolen, or destroyed. And finally, in section 3, sign and date the form. If it was a joint return, both spouses need to sign. And that is it. Once completed, you can send the form to the IRS so that they can start tracking your refund. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.